Alrighty, what's going on, guys? Dylan DeFazio here, and welcome to a Bing Ads training. Now, what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to show you live how I get very cheap keywords using the Bing Ads platform, and I'm also going to give you guys a free system which converts really well, which you can get access if you click the link, the first link in the description below. So let's jump right into it. What you're looking at right now is my Bing Ads back office. Now, the reason I use Bing, over Google or Facebook or YouTube or any of those things is, Bing is a little bit looser with their terms. With Facebook and Google, you can get your ad account shut down very easily. Now, with Bing, because they want to, they want to be number one, they want to take over. You're able to get clicks very cheap, and I'm going to show you right now how I actually go about getting those clicks. So what you're going to want to do once you've set up your Bing Ads account, if you haven't set one up, just go to Google, type in Bing Ads, set your account up, and then log in. What you want to do is you want to head over to Tools and click on Keyword Planner. Now, what this is going to do, this is going to give you access to the keyword planner here. Now, what I recommend doing is going in through here and setting up your terms the exact way that I have them set up. Now, targeting wise, I do Canada and the USA because I am promoting a system that is only available in Canada and the US, so I want to only get keyword ideas that are from Canada and the US. Now, another key thing that you guys want to be able to do is you want to go through and click on Bing and AOL search syndicated parties only, because that's where we're going to be showing our ads. We only want to show them on the Bing platform. That's going to give us better conversions. Now, under the search options, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and see average monthly searches. We want to do that. I like to do over 100. And then for the suggested bid, I want to do less than, and then I do 0.50. So I like to do less than 50 cents. I do get paid $1.50 per lead, which signs up to our system. Again, I'll show you guys the system at the end of the video. If you want to get access to it, it is the first link in the description. But I like to do 50 cents per bid. You can set this to whatever you want. This is a universal method. Now, what I like to do is I like to go over, if you go to ubersuggest.com, you can grab keywords. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type in, let's see here, online marketing. So what I've gone ahead and done is I've actually gone ahead and if we open up my Finder, I've pulled 3 different keywords that I'm going to be using in this campaign. I was using them before, they weren't getting enough traffic that I wanted, so I'm going to go ahead and grab some more keywords, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm doing that. So I just type in online marketing, again, Uber Suggest. You can just type that in, it's a free site, and then I want to sort it by search volume. Let me just see here. So we want to sort it by search volume, and then what we can do here is we can see these top keywords. Now, it doesn't really matter, you want to make sure that your keywords are related to your niche. So for me, digital marketing, that's a good one. So what I want to do is I want to go over to Google or over to Bing, and I want to type in digital marketing, right? So I'm just going to type that in as my product or service. I like to do one at a time, and I'm going to show you why. If you don't have tracking, you should probably track what you're doing, but I like to do one at a time so I can see the conversion. So now what Bing is going to do is they're going to say, hey, use this ad group, but we don't want to do that. We want to go through, we want to put in a little bit extra work to get the best keywords possible. So now what you see here is we see, we got 4 or 5 different keywords. So you're not going to get a significant amount of keywords, but that's okay, because as you guys see here, 8,000, 120,000, 620, 280, right? So the competition is very high on these. So I might stray away from these because they are all high and there's not very many keywords. But for purposes of this video, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to export these keywords. So now this is what I like to do because when we go to set up the ad, I'll show you exactly why. So we're going to go into the Wi-Fi well system, and then I just like to type the keyword in. So what was the keyword we used? Digital marketing. And now I can save these for later if I want to, reset the ad or whatever. So we did digital marketing. So now let's go to affiliate marketing. I'll do a couple of these live with you guys. So as you guys see here, not very many keywords, but we're going to grab them anyways. The goal isn't getting a significant amount of keywords, it's getting the right keywords. So what we're doing by this is we're grabbing, top research terms, right? And we're taking them and putting them into the search engine. But what we're doing is we're getting Bing to show us which ones are the cheapest and which ones have clicks going to them every single month. So we, right here, 35 cents, 40 cents. These are the suggested bids. So if I go out there and I put my campaign at 50 cents, I'm going to get a ton of clicks. And what I recommend doing is starting gradually, seeing which campaigns convert. If we go over to my stats section, as we guys see here, BA passive income. So that's my Bing ads passive income, campaign. Right, so I set up a tracking ad specifically for that. So now, I see I got 2 clicks, I got 1 opt-in, right? So I want to get more clicks going. That's why I'm, grabbing some more keywords to put them into my campaign. So as we see here, with our campaign going, our Bing keywords, we got 1,400 impressions so far, 1 click as of today. And yesterday, I think we got 3 clicks. I just set up the ad yesterday. So we got 1,300 impressions, 2 clicks. So we're slowly going up. It takes a little, it takes 3 or 4 days to actually ramp it up and get some more, get some more exposure. But this is just, how to actually go out there and find keywords. Now, if you know generic keywords, if you know heavily searched terms for your specific niche, you can definitely type those in as well. So let's do, network marketing. Right, that's a good one. Right, so we're going to grab another 4 keywords here. We're going to export these. Network marketing. All right, so now when we want to set up our ad, so I got 3 different 3 different campaigns here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go through and set up a new campaign. So we're going to go through, we're going to click on conversions. I'm going to use a campaign budget. Normally what I would do, so we're just going to grab one to keep it nice and short and sweet. So we're going to do $10. All right, so this is our second Bing keyword campaign. As you guys see here, we want to keep it on USA and Canada. If it's worldwide, whatever you're promoting, you can go through and, you can do that as well. But this is just for, my specific offer. I'm going to walk you through the process of me actually setting up an ad. So then you want to make sure that this box is ticked off. People in your targeted locations only. You don't want people searching. You just want people in those locations. So then we're going to go save and go to the next step. Now this is where our keywords are going to come into play and why we're going to set up different ad groups. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to do digital marketing. So we'll open up digital marketing. I'll close out that one. So we'll open those up. We'll copy those keywords and we'll go here. And then we'll go digital marketing. All right, and then we're going to go save, add a new group. We'll do affiliate marketing. Right, so we're just going to copy and paste those, and then we're going to name the ad groups so that you can see, or so that I can see, what keywords are actually converting. I want to know, okay, am I getting more sales from my affiliate marketing keyword campaign, or am I getting more sales from my network marketing keyword campaign? right? So I want to be testing these. That's why I have, you know, now 6 different groups. I have 2 ads, 6 different groups. I'm trying to keep 3 per ad and seeing which one converts. So now I'm, you know, running these at about $5 to $10 per day because, you know, I'm getting about $1.50. Well, I'm getting $1.50 per lead, and then the potential of $80 commission. So as you guys see here, you know, when somebody signs up to MCA, that's an $80 commission. When somebody signs up to the Wi-Fi partners, that's $1.50 commission from CPA, and then 30% residual income from Aweber. So the system that I'm promoting, although it's free, it does promote a couple tools and, you know, a benefit program with MCA, which you can earn from. Now, like I said in the, you know, the start of the video, if you want to get access to this system, you can click the link below, and I have done a review on it in a previous video, so you can check that out as well. But what we're going to be doing now, we're just going to finish up this last ad. So let me just open up my network marketing. We'll copy this. All right, so now it might not seem a lot. You know, we only have 5 or 6 keywords, you know, per campaign. Okay, guys, so now that I've copied all of the ads from, you know, from my other campaign, just to keep it, you know, very similar, make it nice and short and sweet. What we've done here is I've set up a tracking code. So if you guys do decide to grab, you know, the Wi-Fi well system and implement this Bing training, what I want to show you is this little tracking code right here. So you want to grab this, you want to copy that, and then when you're setting up your campaign, as you guys see here, I put, you know, after the tracking code equals Bing digital marketing. So I've gone ahead and put digital marketing because that is the that's the campaign name. Now what we want to do is, you know, I want to copy these to all other ad groups, right? And then I'm going to edit that where it says digital marketing. I'm going to put affiliate marketing, right? Digital marketing, affiliate marketing. So you want to put a tracking code in each of these so that you understand, you know, where all the traffic's coming from, what ads are converting better, and this is going to help you save a lot of money. Because say I went through and I set up my network marketing campaign, but it was just going through and it wasn't converting, and I was just wasting, you know, $10 a day on that campaign, right? So we want to be tracking everything to make sure that we're profiting from our campaigns. Okay, so I got those all edited and ready to go. Now all we have to do is just scroll to the bottom, click on save, and go to the next step. Now what we want to do, I like to put it on accelerated. You know, I just want to, you know, I want to get as much traffic as I can. Make sure this is set to manual. And then what I like to do is I like to start at, you know, you can start at 10 cents if you want. You're not going to get very many clicks. You can start at 20 cents. Okay. And I like to go, you know, up 10 cents till I get this little green. And then I am good to go. So we'll do 30. Okay, so about 30 cents is the green marker. Now, as you guys see here, this is going to give me about 500 clicks per month from each of these campaigns. Now, that's a crazy amount of campaigns. So let me just do the math here, right? So on average, so we're going to get 482 plus 473 plus 448. Equals 1,400. So about 1,400. I'm averaging, let me just look at the system right here. So we have 400 clicks and we're averaging about 100 opt-ins per, you know, per 400, and about 70 registered member with, let me see here, I think I have 4 new MCA members because these ones down here don't show. So we'll just jump back over to the calculator. We'll say we got 1,400, so that'll bring us, you know, let's say 4 times 70 equals, so that's going to bring us 280 new registered members 400 opt-ins, and if we're saying, let's say we get about 2% of that, so 1,400 times 2%, okay, so that's going to give us about 28 new MCA members if 2% of them signed up. That's per month. Now, if we times that by our $80 commission, that's an extra $2,000 per month if you were to only run this campaign on its minimum budget. Now, when these start to, profit you and you start to see, in your back office, okay, my Bing Ads passive income online campaign is bringing me in, 20 leads and like new MCA members, I'm going to take that one and, take it from $5 a day to $20 a day, right? See how much money I can make. So that's the cool thing about Bing and about the Wi-Fi Wealth system. You can track everything, which is very, very cool. Now, another thing, I don't want mobile ads. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go on to advanced campaign under devices, and we're going to go decrease by, and we're going to decrease it by 99%, and we'll increase this by 5%. So we're going to go through there. That's all set up. And then we want to go to add distribution. And you remember when we were doing our keywords, we want to do Bing and AOL search syndicated parties only. And then we're going to click save. So that campaign is set up. It's going through the process right now. And we'll see, just how well this campaign does. Maybe in a week or so, I'll show you guys in a video the stats of that campaign so that you guys can see. Now, if you guys want to join our team, I will be having some more in-depth training just like this on my Bing Ads campaigns. I will be sharing with you guys a secret solo ad vendor which I personally use and some other cool things like that. So make sure, click the link below this video, set up your Wi-Fi Wealth system, and go through, set up a Bing Ads campaign to it, start running some traffic, and start profiting from this simple formula. So I want to thank you for watching. If you got value from this video, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It'll really help me out. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Have a great day. Oh, hit that subscribe button.